Hey y'all, this is Keisha Nicole with Creative Cypher, and we're here at Surround Sound of Fashion with Nick G. Hey, Nate.
How you doing? How you doing?
What has this journey been like for you?
You know what? It had its ups and downs, but it had its purpose. You know, the whole point is pushing the culture forward through fashion and music.
All right, Surround Sound of Fashion. Why music and fashion? Why infuse the two?
You know, well, you need music with fashion. I think it's pretty much bringing some additional sauce to it.
Okay.
So when you think of Hamilton, the opera, Surround Sound of Fashion, it's very non-traditional, interactive, and fun.
And I know you have been running around, taking care of business. You have your artist here.
Yeah.
How excited are you about tonight's
Oh,
event?
very excited, very excited. I can't wait until after the show to see what people feel about it.
Okay.
But we did some different, unique things for artists, so
Okay.
I can't wait to see the outcome.
Hey y'all, welcome to the Cypher. I am Keisha Nicole, and we are here at the Surround Sound of Fashion 2017, and we're checking out the vendors. Oh, wonderful vendors. And right next to me, who this be? What's your name?
I'm David Maybane. I'm here representing Maybane Wear.
All right, and you also mentioned earlier that your fashion wear is going to be featured in the fashion show this evening, right? What do you have for us? Can we look at some of the stuff?
Oh yeah, definitely. I got some t-shirts, I have some hats. I'm gonna have some different pieces gonna be featured in the fashion show tonight.
Okay, and then I want you to pull out one thing. See, I want to see someone.
Hold on.
What is this? What is this?
So we got the pants to match the top, so if you're interested in having a matching top, go ahead and look at that.
What y'all know about this life?
His uncle, interestingly, we reached out because I was trying to sell my first company. He had reached out to me about trying to find contacts, and he was like, "Dude, I wanna make money putting you as like CEO eventually." He connected me with Josh, who was working with Treese on this cool product.
Yep.
This is the product.
This is the product.
This is the product.
I was working this big time corporate job, and I quit because I thought this Redis opportunity was so cool.
Wow.
And I think we should definitely build something very big here.
Like this is the dream team. Like we're gonna
We're gonna take things to the next level.
I agree.
It's a team effort, and we really appreciate every day, every second that we wake up and put the amount of effort that we put into this.
If you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together.